Hello, this video is to help you with understanding of how multiplication and division are connected. This is day 4 math of the week of April 27th. So here we have a word problem. A pet store has 18 hamsters. The shop owner wants to put 3 hamsters in each cage. How many cages does the shop owner need for all the hamsters? So I want to go back and reread and decide what are the groups? How many is in each group? And what's the total? Which of those do I have? Do I have all of them? Do I have 2 of the 3? Do I have 1 of the 3? So that I can decide how to solve. I cannot do this drawing of the model until I have what groups I'm drawing and how many is in each group, or do I have my total? I need to know those things first before I go drawing anything. So I'm going to reread. A pet store has 18 hamsters. Well, that sounds like the total. They have 18 hamsters. So erase the question mark and put 18. The shop owner wants to put 3 hamsters in each cage. Okay, so that's the number in each group. Remember that's our key word is each. So in each cage, they're going to put these 18 hamsters, they're going to split them up into cages, and each cage is going to have 3 groups. So how many cages does the shop owner need to do this? So we don't know the number of groups. That's what we need to find out. So now we can draw our model. So we're going to draw something. So this is where you're going to need your tools. So come up here to the shapes. And you're going to pick whatever shape you want. I like to, for this one, I think that squares or rectangles will work best. I double click inside, and now I need to put 3 inside this cage. I'm going to put 3 X's to represent that. Okay, now as I keep this selected, the easiest way to do this instead of having to draw all over again is to come down here to my keyboard, and while holding the control key, I'm going to click the C button. Then I'm going to continue holding my control key and click the V. Notice how on my screen now I have another box that looks exactly like the first box. That is how I copy and paste. The control C is copy, control V is paste. So I can now duplicate or copy and paste all the boxes I need in order to finish drawing the model. So this is 3, 6, I need to get to 18. So I need to reselect this box, Control V, Control V. Make sure that if you do not have this box selected, it writes the 3 X's in this bigger box and it doesn't group them together. So that's why this needs to have the blue lines around it while you're doing this. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, so now we have all 18. So now they want us to write a division equation for the problem and use a question mark for the unknown number. So this is why this really helps. So in division, remember we put our total first, 18. Now we need a division symbol. So here again, you're going to need a new thing. So you need to come over to Insert, come down to Special Characters. Here in this search bar, you need to type in division and then this division symbol. When you click on it once, you don't see anything right now, but as you just click it once, and when you come over and click this arrow here, then it has shown up right there. Okay, so divided by 3 equals, we don't know. Okay. We do know, we can count, but they want us to just use our symbol for the unknown for now. And then now we need to write a multiplication sentence for the problem, an equation. So this would be 3 times we don't know. So the number of in each group times the number of groups equals 18. Or I can think of it the other way, and the number of groups, which I don't know, times 3 equals 18. Either one of those is correct. I could write either one of those. And now I need to count the groups that I drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that gives me 6 cages, that the shop owner needs 6 cages to split up these little hamsters into their cages correctly. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Hopefully you learned a couple new tools in Google Slides. Again, hope this was helpful.